What is the Leopardus genus? The Leopardus genus, also commonly called the ocelot lineage or the American spotted cat genus, is a genus of the family Felidae that is known for their spotted coats. They are difficult to tell apart because of their similar appearances, which help them blend in the jungle. But who are these cats and what sets them apart? Ocelots. Ocelots are the most well-known of the Leopardus genus and are distributed over South and Central America, as well as Mexico and some places in Florida. It can reach 16 to 20 inches at the shoulder and weighs between 15 and 34 pounds. The ocelots are fierce hunters who prefer to reside near water since they are experts at agility, including climbing, leaping, and swimming. They mainly hunt during the night and love to chow on armadillos, opossums, and lagomorphs. Unlike many cats, female ocelots and male ocelots have little to no differences, aside from small changes in weight. Ocelots are fierce and territorial, which can result in some disputes, including fights that can be fatal. The ocelot is threatened by factors such as loss of habitat and the fur trade, as their coats are valuable. It is listed as least concern on the ICUN list. Next, the oncella, aka the little spotted cat or tigrillo, is a wild cat that resembles a margay and ocelot and lives throughout Costa Rica, Panama, the Amazon, and Brazil. Oncellas are some of the smallest wild cats in South America, weighing a little less than a house cat. They weigh between 3.3 and 6.6 pounds and are about 15 to 23 inches long. Its coat helps it blend in with the mottled forest floor, which makes it easier to hide from prey. Additionally, there are some melanistic oncellas that roam around the more forested areas of its habitat, but this is rare. And on the topic of coats, oncellas have been hunted for their fur and have been labeled as vulnerable by the ICUN list because of this. The oncella refers to two species, the southern tiger cat and the northern, but since they hardly have any differences and simply just don't interbreed, I will not be covering them in this video. Now, the margay is a wild cat native to Mexico and Central and South America. It has a coat similar to that of an ocelot, but has a longer tail and legs. The margay is a skilled climber and can even hang onto a tree with one foot. The margay commonly hunts at night and feasts on birds, small monkeys, tree frogs, and insects. Because of their elusive personality, not much is known about these creatures. However, they are in trouble. They are near threatened on the ICUN list due to fur trade. Next up, Pampas cat. Like all the other cats I've discussed so far, they live in... you guessed it, South America. Even though they are named after the Pampas, much of the Pampas in Argentina have been used by humans, so Pampas cats are widely distributed as they must adapt to their new environments, including the grasslands, shrublands, and dry forests. Farmers claim these kitties prey on their goats and chickens, but as Pampas cats have never been studied in the wild, we can't say for certain what they eat. The status of the Pampas cat is unknown, and there isn't enough research to tell what it is. And cat or cod, which lives primarily in, well, Chile. They are the smallest felines in South America and only 15 to 20 inches tall when measuring from head to body. They only weigh about 4.4 to 5.5 pounds. Codcods are nocturnal in the presence of humans, but will hunt day and night when undisturbed. It is a common myth that codcods suck the blood of their prey, but in reality the vampire-like bite marks left on hunted poultry were a result of their canine teeth, not because they suck blood. They are excellent climbers and hunt the southern lapwing, austral thrush, chucao tapaculo, huet, domestic geese, and chicken. Let me know if I pronounce these wrong, as I have never heard of some of these species before and only discovered them through articles. Jeffrey's cat. Jeffrey's cat, which I hope I am pronouncing correctly, is the most common cat in South America. There are a lot of these cats, but they are listed as near endangered as they are hunted for their pelts. The Jeffries cat is around the size of a domestic cat. It is around 24 inches when measuring the head and body and weighs between 4.4 and 11 pounds. It lives in the Pampas, Andes, and Gran Chaco. It is nocturnal and solitary and only interacts with other cats when mating. It likes to eat rodents, hares, small mammals, insects, snakes, and small reptiles. Andean mountain cat. The Andean mountain cat is an endangered wild cat that inhabits the Andes. It has ash-gray fur and rounded ears as well as a bushy tail. These felines have a body length of 22 to 25 inches and weigh around 12 pounds. The Andean mountain cat depends on the mountain Vizcacha for most of its diet, but will also settle for small reptiles and birds. Not so fun fact, they cannot be kept in captivity and all attempts have been unsuccessful with the cats dying. Quiz time! What cat is rumored to drink blood? Is it A, the Andean mountain cat, B, the Jeffries cat, C, the cod? 3, 2, 1. If you said C, the cod, you are correct. What cat is also called the little spotted cat? Is it A, the ocelot, B, the oncilla, or C, the margay? 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is the oncilla. And where do all these cats live? A, South America, B, North America, C, the Caribbean, or D, Asia. Alrighty, the correct answer is South America. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!